Hello and welcome to ServiceNow crew. On this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate on the ServiceNow platform with shortcuts, basically to make more easy your experience on the platform navigation. So let's get started. First, we are going to click on the filter navigator, clicking on the All section on the banner. And the first shortcut is the table name .list. This we are going to show the list view for the table. The second one is exactly the same one, but .list on capital letters. This will be opening a new tab with the list view. Next one is the table name with .config. This will be showing a specific page with business rules or scripts or elements related with the table. Then we're going to back to the list view. We're going to open an existing record on the table. So let's load the page on the URL. Give a second. Then between the table name and .do, we are going to type underscore list, and this will be displaying the list view. The next one, if we press Ctrl Alt F, the favorites tab will be displayed automatically. So next one, if we type on the filter navigator the table name .do, a new form for creation, a new record will be displayed, and the same result with .form on the filter navigator. If we type .form on capital letters, a new tab with the form will be displayed. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a comment if you have any concern or any other topic in which you would like to discuss on a next video. Thanks for watching. Let's subscribe and see you on next time. Bye bye.